You guys, I'm about to unbox the second edition of my favorite camera ever, and I honestly cannot be more excited because I talk about this camera all the time. I use it, I've traveled around the world with it. All that being said, I love this camera. The first one was perfect, and basically, this is like the first one, but much better. I have a document here. 5.7K video resolution, increased bitrate, enhanced colors, improved audio recording, longer battery life, increased by up to 55%, which is incredible. Waterproof up to 10 meters without a case. This is a review unit, so everything that I'm showing you is still using beta software, but I think this might be the final version of the hat. I don't know if I'm a hat person. I'm like, wow, it's a look. They have some new accessories. They did say that this is the old selfie stick. There is a new stick that is on its way. We've got a new bullet time cord, a lens cap. This might seem like a very small, simple thing that you're like, why didn't the first one have a lens cap? I don't know. I bought a third-party one, so it's really great that they decided to make one that fits perfectly from Insta360. Here it is. Hello, my friend. Oh my God, it's personalized. Hey, Justine. That's me. We're excited for you to be one of the lucky few who gets to try out the Insta360 ONE X2 first. We selected this first batch of units just for you. Also, they have a new Insta360 branded micro SD card, which is great because then I'll always know that this is for the Insta360 camera. I'm not even wasting time. I'm just opening the camera up right this second. So here it is. The first thing that I've noticed is obviously it has an LCD right here on the front. Of course, it has the dual cameras, which gives you the incredible 360 effect. Let's check out that battery. Oh, this is so beefy. Let me just show you in comparison to the first gen. Like, look at this battery. Like, look at this. Are you freaking kidding me? Huge improvement. This does feel a little bit heavier, but honestly, it's really not that big of a deal because most of the time you have it on the end of a stick or on some sort of accessory. The fact that it's a little bit heavier, I mean, look how small it is. It's not like it's actually heavy at all. Let's just freaking turn it on. It's loading, oh my God, okay. Can you see me? Can you see me? You can see me? This is gonna be so freaking fun. It's also a touch. Is it moving? Yeah? Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. Again, this is running beta software, so some of the actions might be a little bit limited at the current time of testing, but I will keep you guys posted as there are updates or anything else. There's so much cool stuff that you can do with this camera. I just recently, after using it for several years, I finally just started transferring this footage to my computer because you're able to export a much larger image, and it's really amazing the stuff that you can capture from this. So I can only imagine, like, I just talk about this camera so much. I love you. Say it back. I wonder if this will fit in here. Oh my gosh, it does. There's just something that I love so much about this little bag. You're gonna have to find a new home. You've been replaced. It kind of smells like chocolate. It's perfect. It's perfect. Perfect fit. It's a nice little silicone. It's like a little hat. So this is the bullet time cord. There's this handle that you can connect to the selfie stick where you spin it around your head and you can get a really cool Matrix style stop motion shot. But this is supposed to be a very small, I guess, replacement if you don't want to use the handle. Oh, shut up. So now you'll just clip this on here. I wonder how long this is. Okay, not that long. Let me see. Will I hit anything? Am I gonna hit something? It's hard to say. I don't think okay, this is great. This is perfect. Okay. This is freaking cool. There is a new selfie stick, but it wasn't out at the time of unboxing this, so I'll show you guys that later. So this is the previous version. So now that this is unboxed, I'm gonna connect it to my phone and get everything all set up, the firmware updated, and then take it outside to start testing. It is Insta360 ONE X2 testing day. I'm so excited. We're gonna go out and do some really crazy high action sports, stuff that you've never seen before, unlike anything you will ever experience, but you'll experience it here today in this video. See that? High action sports. What's really cool about this is the selfie stick will be removed in post. So automatically, it'll just kind of look like this thing is floating in midair. Do these come all the way, are they already put together?
Yeah.
Okay, so like if I got this right now, I could ride it like out. You think I'd break it?
The mini probably, it's meant for up to 5-year-olds. 50 kilograms,
Oh my
whatever that, so like 125.
Okay, I'll just get this one.
Are you sure? With the
Yes,
unicorn?
yes.
Okay.
Can I do Apple Pay?
Yes.
Oh, this is gonna be perfect, thank you. No. Oh. So what do you think happens when you throw any type of camera or electronic gear with exposed lenses 20, 30 feet? What do you think happens? Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. And look at this. This crappy GoPro clamp broke in half, that's why. GoPro. Are you gonna yell at?
Maybe. I'm not gonna pay attention.
Gonna test out their new bullet time accessory. To activate this, it uses a couple different algorithms. So you have to set the camera to shoot at 3K, 100 frames a second, and it'll automatically recognize as you're swinging it to go into the bullet time mode. So I'm gonna put this on here. This is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna try it, so very nervous. Okay, we are recording. This is so much better than having the handle. Oh God, I'm gonna get hit. Don't get up because you're gonna get hit in the head. Oh my goodness, look how cool this looks. That's incredible. Do you think that I'd be able to do that riding the scooter?
We're about to find out.
I'm so athletic, I'm so athletic. Do you think I got my gold medal yet? Do you think it's in the mail? Maybe it might be in the mail. Maybe it's lost in the mail, just like my invite to Snoop's birthday party. Might have got lost. I gotta put my stuff down for my action sports moves. This is not gonna be as intense as it normally would be because I still have a sprained ankle, but I'm gonna do my best. Athletes need nourishment. That's why we're going to Whole Foods. For Whole Foods, whole nourishment for my whole body. It'd be cool if we did like a time lapse, like a motion lapse or something. Important to fuel up with protein when you're an athlete, such as me. I'm reviewing the footage. Now what's really cool about this is I'm basically connecting to the Wi-Fi on the camera. And I just brought in some of the footage from the camera, so I made this little time warp time lapse here. Check this out. Imagine the cool things you could do if you were actually doing action sports. And this is high action shopping. Another really cool thing is you can change the aspect ratio. So this is in 16:9, but I can switch it to a 1:1, so it's more of a square. You could do 9:16, so it's vertical for stories. This is how I do a lot of these different shots that I've done over the past couple of years. I just edit these directly on my phone, on the go, and then upload them. Being so athletic is exhausting. Oh my God, I hate everything that I'm doing right now. This is so weird. Wow, whoa, whoa. What is this? I'm dizzy. There may be a security person arriving. Oh God, it's still moving. Fashion.
Do you know what Olympic athletes wish that they could do? Clone themselves. Do you know what I can do? Clone myself. Does that mean I'm not an Olympic athlete, or I'm not sure.
Well, this was quite a fun day. I must say that the Insta360 ONE X was my most favorite camera ever. It is something that I never left home without. Every single trip that I have taken over the past several years, that was always the main piece of my gear bag. And now they went and made that perfect camera better with the Insta360 ONE X2. I'm speechless. I mean, it's my favorite. It's my favorite camera. Like, I absolutely love this thing so much. And it also has made me an action sports star. So thank you. Gold medal. Hero.
Does that look cool?